अस्सलामुअलैकुम माय फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपको इस वीडियो में कैस्टल हाउस बनाना सिखाऊंगी। इस हाउस का शौक़ हर छोटे बच्चे को होता है। वो बहुत शौक़ से ये एक्टिविटी करता है और बहुत आसानी से एक हाउस बना लेता है। आज मैं आपको बनाना सिखाऊंगी हाउ टू ड्रा अ कैस्टल स्टेप बाय स्टेप। इसको बनाने के लिए आपको एक पेंसिल, एक पेज और स्केल की ज़रूरत पेश आएगी। ये एक्टिविटी बच्चे घर पर बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हैं। हम फिर इसको बाद में कलर भी करेंगे और मैं आपको इंफॉर्मेशन भी दूंगी इस कैस्टल हाउस की। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन और साथ साथ हम इसको बनाते हैं। What is the castle house? Castles are medieval buildings which were defensive homes for powerful people. They could be made from wood, stone or brick, and some were used of hundreds of years. Thousands of castles were built across Europe, the Middle East, and Japan with different designs. What is inside a castle? A typical European castle was like a little village inside with kitchens, workshops, gardens, stables, and a chapel. This castle is built of stone, but many early castles were wooden. What is the castle in history? Castle medieval stronghold, generally the residence of the king and lord of the territory in which it stands. Strongholds designs with the same functionality have been built throughout the world, including in Japan, India, and other countries. What makes a place a castle? A castle is fundamentally two things: a residence for a laird and a place that offers significant protection. If it's only one or the other, that's problematic. A grand building with no defensive features would be a palace, chitia, or country house. Who lives in castle? Live life in a castle. The lord and the lady of the castle, the soldiers, the servants, the cooks, the jesters, the gong farmer. Who lives inside a castle? As well as the lord, the lady, his wife, and their family. There were lots of staff. Some were important officials, such as the constable who took care of the castle when the lord was away. Every day tasks were done by servants such as cooks, craftsmen, and spinners. What are the castle house made of? Stone was the primary material used of castle walls. Various types of stone were employed, including limestone, sandstone, and granite. These stones were cut into the blocks and rubble and stacked or mortared together to form thick walls. What are the three features of a castle? Moat, walls, inner and outer, towers, inner and outer, gatehouses, drawbridges, and barbicans. Why it is called castle? The word castle is derived from the Latin word castellum, which is the diminutive of the word castrum, meaning fortified place. What is the castle for kids? The castle is a strong building that was often the home of a king a lot in the medieval times and afterward. Castles were built in the many places including Japan, India and other countries. बने रहिए मेरे चैनल के साथ मज़ीद वीडियो के लिए।